painted the world's most dangerous garage, and if this appraiser signs off on it, my clients are getting a new freaking home.
Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid? Why?
Today we're fortunate enough to know the dangers of lead in the human body, but Farley and myself were not lucky enough. Ah!
Please stand by. We will return to your regularly scheduled program after this. Please enjoy this calm, relaxing video of puppies playing. Thank you.
All right, maybe it's not the most dangerous garage, but, I mean, FHA keeps flagging peeling paint for a reason, right? It's gotta have some sort of danger behind it. While far less dangerous in full-blown humanoids like myself, there are still plenty of symptoms to watch out for when suspect of lead poisoning. Take a look at these. High blood pressure, obesity, joint muscle pain, Hawaiian shirts, difficulties with memory and concentration, bad haircuts, headaches, loss of friends, abdominal pain, nausea, heartburn, indigestion, reduced sperm count, but extra semen, mood disorders, or obesity. While that is dangerous to everyone, it's even more dangerous in our children, including some of the following symptoms: developmental delay, learning difficulties, irritability, loss of appetite, weight loss, sluggishness or fatigue, abdominal pain, vomiting, constipation, and even seizures! Today we're here to talk about the lead that comes from your home. You see, any home built prior to 1978 could have been painted using lead-based paints. And if your home was painted using lead-based paint and some of that paint is chipping off and you've got children rolling around little Matchbox cars on top of that and then putting those Matchbox cars in their mouth, we're gonna be in for a rude awakening. Our child may be being poisoned without us even knowing it. So let's cover up that lead-based paint, encapsulate it, so that we don't have to worry about lead-based poisoning in our babies. The particular home that you see me painting right here, we went into this knowing that we were gonna have to paint this garage. And if this appraiser signs off on the painting of this garage, my client is well on their way to the closing table, and this will be their new home. Check it out. Check out that flooring. We've got beige walls and awesome flooring. Purple bedrooms and more purple bedrooms. Check out this door on the left. It's a bathroom. And to the right, a dining room and a kitchen. Look at those countertops. Let's go down these little stairs, up these big stairs, and into another purple room. Did I tell you guys my favorite color is purple? Check out this master bathroom. Wouldn't you love bathing here? Back down the stairs. Let's get back to it, guys. Approved. Congratulations, you're getting a new home.
What do you mean? I don't have to pay for it?
Of course you have to pay for it. What do you think? I'm Mr. Beast. And remember, guys, always like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. With your help, I'll keep growing and I'll keep providing you guys with awesome high-energy content. And if you guys like the high energy found in this video, you're probably going to want to check out this video right here where I get wild with a handful of exotic animals as Brian Barczyk takes me on a tour of the Reptarium. And remember, paint chips are not the kind of chips that we want to be putting in our mouth.